Grr. Plan ruined. Important plan. Needed labor. Open vortex. Found workforce. Brought here. And yet, error made. Something contaminant. Careful planning. Now wasted. No more planning. No more patience. Instead, everything shall be consumed! Alright, you're coming with me! It wasn't like that. I just needed my second half in order to be whole again. Also, who even are you? Why did you bring me here? Wait. You say you want my power? My power? Well, for what reason do you need my power for? Are you gonna absorb it and brainwash me, or are you gonna help me brainwash the Forgotten Land entirely, or you want me to brainwash your minions? I could do that if you want. Demo, what are you doing? What? I thought we talked about this. This is not a... I never take matters into my own rules. Oh yes. The fates of this lion, myself, and the beastpack have all forged together into one unforgettable destiny. A destiny that the leader of the beastpack will never escape from. One between Leongar, myself, and the beastpack. Ever since those 30 years have passed, that lion first saw me, trapped inside that capsule after venturing inside Lab Discover through the walls. I heard him, and that's when I brainwashed that Lion King, and all the other animals of the Forgotten Land, making Leongar create the animal horde I call the Beast Pack. The ferocious Beast Pack. If you will excuse me, I gotta cast out this lion's soul. Well, well, if it isn't the Beast King again. Leongar, remember me? I was once the Great One to you. I was missing my second half. He was gone 30 years ago, and you brought it back. However, you lost to that rat-shoed, blue-eyed, pink puffball they call cute. Therefore you failed me, so I had to break out, consume you, and consume every animal that came nearby just to get him. And I did. You were just a weak lion who was dumb enough with just your big paws and pounces. All you had to do was defend my chamber until the process is completed, so that I could get my second half and be whole again. And there you set me up, so I got my second half the hard way. All by myself I had to do it. Well, as it turns out, you were under my control, alongside all the other animals that lived in this new world, including your precious leopard wife, as well as a mumbling bluebird from this star-shaped planet that always carries a mallet as his only weapon of choice for fighting. Yes, I know, but I'm busy speaking with this king of beasts. Feast on my hide. Such pathetic, insulting words to an alien from a lion like you. Perhaps you should have left me alone. Listen well, Leongar. If you break me, I will consume you again. I can consume you and brainwash you as many times as I desire, especially for importance. Till I make myself clear, or I will brainwash you to death! What a raging mind that roars with such ease.